2003, and I know it's been forever since I uploaded a video, but I decided to shoot this vlog because I am in Thailand. Yes, I am in Pattaya, and I had my flight from Bombay to Bangkok yesterday night, and we reached Bangkok today morning around 5:30 Bangkok time. And yeah, from there we directly took a bus to Pattaya. And since the morning we haven't done much. We basically went to a mall which is really close to our hotel. So yeah, we went to this mall and we had our lunch there and we shopped a little. So yeah, and I'll try to vlog as much as possible so that I can make sure that you guys at least see all the integral parts of my entire trip in Bangkok and Pattaya. I am in Pattaya till day after morning, and then I'll be going to Bangkok. So yeah, this is the view from my room balcony. Here is our pool. If you can see, I think you can. And yeah, that is the view. Pattaya and even Bangkok, they are really green cities and whatever. Like, they have so many plants and it's so nice to see this. So yeah, this is the pool. I might be going to the pool soon. Let's see, because you guys will be joining me in on everything. So I just shifted into my own room. I mean, that's my sister's and my room. We had actually booked 2 rooms initially, but in the morning when we arrived, only one was ready. So my parents, my sister and I, we were just staying and being in that room only. But finally this room is ready. It's on the 19th floor, so we have a great view of the ocean and the pool. But we have to go for the Alcazar show, and our people, they'll be picking us up around 6 o'clock, and it's currently 4:49, so I really have to start getting ready. So yeah, I will catch you guys in a while. So we just got back from the Alcazar show, and I'm sorry for the lighting, it's really dark, but we are here at the restaurant for food, and I couldn't record the show at all because it was prohibited and all, but it was really good. I'll talk about that later on. But yeah, right now we're here back at our hotel for some dinner. This is pretty much the end of the first day. We just came up to our room after having dinner, and yeah, you did see the dinner. It was pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna just take off my makeup and all and go off to bed. I look terrible right now with all this makeup all around my eye. Kind of got smudged, but ignore that. So tomorrow we'll be going to the Coral Islands, for which we have to wake up really early in the morning. So I'm gonna hop into bed now, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog, and today is kind of a really rush day because we woke up a little late and we have to go to the Coral Islands today. We have to leave at 8:30 and it's already 8:26, but we're hoping that our car comes a little late. So I'm just going down for some breakfast. I'm really sorry for the lighting. I'll try to edit it and make it way better. Hi guys, so I just had my breakfast and I'm really sorry that I couldn't vlog it at all because we were in such a rush, but I didn't have much. So right now we're just waiting for our people to come. I think we'll be coming in a bus, and from Pattaya we'll be taking a speedboat to the Coral Islands. We were in a speedboat going to the Coral Islands, but we've stopped here in the middle. I don't know if this is somewhat a boat or something. So this is the place for parasailing and all. So they are sending it from here. I don't know if you can see any people, but yeah, that person is fine. They are super duper quick when they do it. It just takes a second and the next person is already up. So we are here kind of in the middle of the sea, ocean, I don't know. But I think my dad is going to do parasailing. So yeah, that will be fun. But we'll be going to the Coral Islands after our group is all done with the parasailing and shit. Hi guys, this is my sister, and guess where we currently are? We are at the Coral Islands, and it's really, oh my god, there's something in the water. And it's really pretty. But right now, just standing in the water, and let's see what we do. I have really no clue, but then it's so beautiful. You can see the mountains, they are really beautiful. So I'm just sitting here on this chair at the beach, and the beach is right in front. So I realized that I hadn't exactly spoken about the Alcazar show which we attended yesterday. So I thought of just sitting down and talking about it. So it's like this cabaret show. They depict many religions using dances, The costumes were beautiful, their headgears were beautiful, the dances were really good, the sound, the lighting, everything was just perfect. So it's guys who have transformed into girls after the operation and everything, and they put up this entire show. And coming from India, I was really happy when they suddenly had this Bollywood twist in the show. They played a Bollywood song and they had kind of Bollywood, costumes and stuff, and it was really, really cool and beautiful. So yeah, that was quite fun. Right now I'm just sitting here and actually I'm digging up the sand with my hand because I have nothing better to do. But yeah, we're just sitting here. We're gonna be here till 1 o'clock and it's currently 12:15. We have 45 minutes, not gonna do much, probably just click some pictures and all. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I am completely wet because I went into the water, and now we're gonna be heading back to Pattaya. So yeah, in the speedboat, and then we'll be going. Oh shit! Okay, you saw that. And then we'll be going to a hotel. Hi guys, so currently we're gonna be heading to the floating market, which is like on the water and the boats. I really don't know. And that's my sister. Say hi. So yeah, we're heading to the floating market. Guys, we're here at the floating market, but this isn't the market. The market is somewhere inside. I think here we get the tickets and stuff. Elephant High. But yeah, we're here and I really don't know how it is gonna go, but you guys will see it. I think they're gonna put us in boats. And it's gonna be water and shit. I don't really know. Let's see. We are inside the market and we're actually in a boat, as I said. And there are shops around us here and a few here. So basically they take us to each and every shop and if you want something we can tell them and then they'll make the boat stop and then we can purchase stuff.